Sciences, a fourth year undergraduate of IIT Bhubaneswar. So I'm just curious about how far the event is going on. I want your answer. Come on, say something. It's good, it's bad, it's boring, anything. Huh? Super. And yeah, if you give good answer, you'll not get a chocolate. Okay, for this. So you're free to tell. Come on. Okay, nice. Some truth. And come on, guys. It's an interactive event now. See, we're not gonna scold or we're not gonna rag or we're not gonna do anything. We take it as a feedback. Okay. So say something. Just one guy stand up and say, this is the thing I liked or this is the thing I didn't like. We have a lot more events coming. So, okay, you'll get a chocolate now. Okay, now see how many hands are there. Raise your hand. Okay, somebody give him the mic. Boy, okay, give him a chocolate. Okay, we took that, and I'll try from now on. The event will be quite exciting. And prior to that, I wanted to discuss a few things with you. Say, not related to how to program a computer, okay? Because I have my juniors to take care of that, and already so many professors came, some inclusion professors, and they taught you how to programming. I'll try to I'll say something about how to program your life. Okay. So it's not so boring. I'll just take 2 minutes of your time. And why we all are here? Can anybody say why we all are here? We all are here because of something. Some special power. We all are here. Maybe you say it's a luck. You say it's talent, hard work, sincerity, dedication, whatever. But we all had that special power with us, right? That's why we are here in this prestigious institution. And this special power that made us capable of doing something. And this great power, we need to apply more. We need to use this great power a lot. And you all would be knowing, with great power comes with great responsibility. You know that, right? It's true. It's true. We all have this great power. From that, we get this great responsibility. And don't think just getting into an IIT, you're an IITian. You have to prove yourself. Yeah, by the end of 4th year, yes, I did something. I've created something. Not that you'll use the brand name again and again. You'll give the value to the brand. Okay, that's what. You should be responsible in every part of your life. Responsibility, what makes a person a good. Because these outcomes, what will, in future you should not turn back and say, wish that wouldn't have happened. That's irresponsible, because of some irresponsible decisions. You all are here because, as I said, it's a great power. So you need to be responsible in each and every step you take. The responsibility should show, yes, I'm responsible. There's a lot of chances. Why I'm saying this? Because I saw my friends, a lot of friends, my juniors, they get deviated so very easily to some other things, extra curricular stuff. And they become hypocrites, they become other people. No, I don't want that. I want you all to be focused. Very much focused to the point. Why you came here? Why your parents left here? What's the responsibility they have given you? To prove here. You are here to prove that you are capable of this task. Okay? You need to prove that I'm capable of this task. And for that, you need not to jump from a building or do a parachuting or nothing. Simple. Be sincere. Be dedicated. Don't deviate. You're all understanding, right? So that's what You need to be sincere, dedicated, don't deviate. Concentrate. See, once you have these qualities, you're a good person. Once you're a good person, you need not require, a training or say something, you'll automatically do. Not only in programming, any field you take, arts, fine arts, literature, whatever you do, you'll be good in it. So that's what I'm trying to propagate. Please be sincere and please be dedicated to your life, to your goal. You came here with something, and you'll go by achieving that goal. Though sometimes it may look studies are a little bit boring, some this and that, it may happen. Suddenly you have a lot of freedom. I saw suddenly from +2, it's higher secondary school. There'll be a lot of so much of stress, and you have to study. The stress will always increase. Okay, but you have freedom here. Use it wisely. Okay, you have to use it very wisely. Every second counts. Unfortunately, I didn't have any person, any senior to tell me in my first year that use it wisely. I wasted some time, but luckily I could, because of help from my professors and a lot of people, I could understand that this time is very valuable. The first years, frankly speaking, first years are the most, you have a lot of time with you. Don't waste. Okay, you have this time, try to invest. Don't waste. Okay, and I would encourage every one of you, whenever you have some time, take some time and discuss with second years or third years. I would like to personally interact with you all one by one, or it's 2 or 3 people or one, and I would like to tell a lot of things about programming and so many things, what I've learned so far. I would like to tell you, share my experience and share their experiences with you. So whenever you find some time with you, in a week, just call some of the second years or third years, say I want to meet, then we'll have a group, we can discuss a lot of things, a lot of interesting stuff. Okay, are you interested?
Yes.
Oh, that's very good. So I want that from you. Okay, try to be enthusiastic. I want learning new things. There's so many things to learn. Okay, thank you. I'll not waste much of your time, and I hope rest of the events are good. Okay, not boring.